Hello, and in this video I want to show you how you can make a Tinkercad account. So first you go into whatever web browser you have and you type in tinkercad.com or https www.tinkercad.com, and you want to click Tinkercad. You want to click this first link up here, that one, and it will bring you to this home screen. Don't mind anything down here. All this just teaches, it's like a learning stuff, and it just shows you what services they offer. So then you want to click login, and if you're in school, if you are in school and you have and your teacher has a class code, then you can sign in with a class code. Student accounts has not been working recently though. So you want to click personal accounts. I usually just sign in with Google, but you don't have to. But there are more options. Google, and all your accounts are, like once you've signed into Google and you have your stuff ready, and once you, sorry, I'm very tired. Once you sign in, you should see a page just like this. Once you sign in, you should see a page just like this. And you'll have classes, your designs there on circuits and code blocks. You have your collections, your tutorials, and your challenges. And yeah, that is how you sign in with Tinkercad.